aye ululamile, aye ululamile, aye ululamile. Dekala wangisusala wangisale. So one of you requested this song that says aye ululamile, ne? So I will use G sharp, F sharp, and C sharp, and I will first play it and break it down after. Oh, I played it, ne? So I will first break it down in G sharp, ne? If you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. So it starts right here. Aye ululamile Jehovah, aye ululamile. Very simple, ne? 1, then 4, ne? 5, 2, 1, 5, then 1. You close it, ne? So this is G sharp. Remember, okay? It's like 1 mile 4, ne? 5, ne? It's like don't be confused, ne? So yeah. So yeah, before any waste of time, let's go to F sharp, ne? So in F sharp, it starts right here. Then it goes here to 4, ne? Then it goes to 5, 2, 1, then 4, then it goes to 5. Okay, so this is our song. Then it goes here. When I say it, I'm saying in chords, ne? So yeah, this is how our song goes. So this is the end of our song. I hope you also eat. Very simple, ne? So let's go to C sharp before any waste of time, ne? So in C sharp, it starts right here. This one, ne? This one. Then you close it, ne? This one. Then you go to this one, ne? Then you go to this one. Then you go to this one. Then you close it, ne? So that part wangitatala is the same thing, ne? Wangitatala, wangibekala, wangisusala, wangiyisale.